Norway and Great Britain have agreed to supply the armed forces of Ukraine with the PD-100 Black Hornet microdrone by the Flir company, which has really fantastic capabilities. This drone is considered ideal for a contested environment. There are some facts you should know about Black Hornet drones on the battlefield. Number 1. New operators can be trained in 20 minutes. Though full training can take a few days, in critical circumstances operator can be trained to use the drone in as little as 20 minutes. The drones can either be manually controlled by the operator using a touchscreen display or set to follow a predetermined route. They'd also use artificial intelligence to build a picture of obstacles, like trees or buildings, and decide whether they should fly around them. Number 2. The Nano UAV withstands stormy winds. In terms of design, the Black Hornet is constructed of a rugged plastic molded shell. The aerodynamic shape of the Nano UAV withstands stormy winds. The tiny drone is fitted with 3 surveillance cameras concealed within its nose. One is looking forward, one is looking straight down, and one is pointing downward at 45 degrees. The top speed is 13 miles per hour. Number 3. Have an autopilot system. The autopilot system installed on board the Black Hornet enables the operator to handle the drone in 2 modes. The drone can be operated directly or programmed through a predefined path using the installed GPS. The digital data link allows the operator to control the UAV within the line-of-sight range of 1,000 meters. The drone is controlled by an operator from the ground using a joystick-like device. Number 4. A cost almost as small as its footprint. The Black Hornet's size isn't the only small thing about it. The price was around $60,000 at the beginning, and now these days the price is around $40,000 per unit. With a USAF report detailing the cost of a single Reaper at over $16 million, the Black Hornet represents substantial cost savings when used as a replacement for missions like personal reconnaissance. Number 5. Has an eye for detail. Coming equipped with 3 cameras, Black Hornet has on board a variety of visible spectrum and thermal imaging lenses. These can be used both to relay a real-time video feed to the drone's operator or to take static pictures for later analysis. Anyway, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more updates on awesome videos. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.
This is where the fun begins. Okay.